Imagine a sunlit living room buzzing with excitement as a group of American Wirehair and Turkish Angora cats gather for a lively cat toy workshop. Handcrafted toys, pom-poms tied to strings, crinkly paper balls, and felt mice are scattered across the floor, inviting playful exploration. The cats, with their distinctive wiry fur and bright, expressive eyes, spring into action immediately. One elegant Turkish Angora leaps gracefully to bat at a dangling feather, while a sturdy American Wirehair pounces on a rolling ball, sending it skittering under the couch. Laughter fills the air as a pair of kittens team up to unravel a yarn tassel, their playful rivalry evident in every swat and tumble. Owners cheer them on, gently petting the cats and joining in the fun by wiggling toys from behind cushions. Mischief erupts as a curious cat clambers onto a shelf, knocking over a small vase with a triumphant flick of the tail. Soft, natural light filters through the window, highlighting the cat's quirky behavior and the warmth shared between humans and felines. Every playful antic is met with affection, creating a lively, heartwarming scene where creativity and feline curiosity collide in the ultimate test of homemade cat toys.